Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the Antutu benchmark test in the Realme Q2 or Realme X7 device, which has a Dimensity 800U processor. As you can see, friends, right now I'm using the Dimensity 800U device, so which has a 6GB RAM variant and 128GB model. So let's see, friends, and this is a brand new phone, and right now I did not install so many applications, or only minimal applications has been installed only. So I just want to do this Antutu benchmark test in the initial days, how much the score can be there. And as I said, this is a test I am doing for the first time in this phone. Even I am very much curious to test this Antutu benchmark score, how much I can achieve in this Realme phone which has Dimensity 800U processor. And in case if you want to know more details about this smartphone, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And this is the second video which I am uploading on this Realme X7 and Q2 phone, and more videos I'll try to upload close to 100 videos very soon. So in case if you want to know more details, make sure to comment below as well what videos you want me to do on this phone. And let me try to quickly show you what refresh rate I am using by doing this test. I'll be selecting the 60Hz refresh rate, and there is also option of the performance mode. So if you go to the battery and if you go to the performance mode, so let me enable the high performance mode when I am doing the Antutu benchmark test. So this is the one thing which I forget in most of the Antutu benchmark test, but right now I did remember to use this option. So it's good to use the high performance test and then do the Antutu benchmark test, and what will be the results will be there. Let's see what the score will be there. And in case if you want to know what kind of live wallpaper I'm using currently here, try to check the links in description. You can find this kind of amazing good looking wallpapers if you want to download. So try to check the links in description for the playlist. So let me try to quickly open the Antutu benchmark application. So as I said, the phone name is Realme Q2 in the Chinese, and in India the phone will be launching with maybe with the naming of Realme X7, I think so. So now let me start the Antutu benchmark test. I think everything is set, and let's see, friends, how much the score Dimensity 800U can get it. I think I was expecting the score to be close to 3 lakhs, and definitely if it is above 3 lakhs, I would highly consider this mobile phone. I will be suggesting this phone for the most of the users to buy, so depending on the price as well. But let's see how much the score the Dimensity 800U can actually get. And in case if you want to know more details and comparison with other smartphones, I will be quickly doing the Antutu benchmark comparison with other smartphones like the Poco X3 and other even close to premium and segment mobile phones like the OnePlus Nord as well. Is a OnePlus Nord. I'll try to do the comparison with the OnePlus Nord as well. So make sure to follow me regularly and also subscribe to my channel, and make sure to reach the subscriber count to 50,000 friends. I'm right now close to 42,000 here, and help me to reach the 50,000 as soon as possible. So every day I'll try to post so many videos on this Realme Q2 device. So I'll make sure that all the videos are uploaded before the release date of this phone in India, so you can decide whether to buy this phone or look for the different smartphone. As you can see right now, the test is going on this mobile phone, and this is my first initial 2 hours of using this device. So this is a very new mobile phone. So one thing I did notice is that the punch hole camera is slightly bigger than the normal other smartphones, and I did like the high refresh rate thing in this mobile phone. So if the phone, depending on the price, if the phone is around close to 15,000, then definitely you can purchase this phone for this Dimensity 800U processor. So I was expecting the Antutu benchmark score to be close to 3,20,000 to 30,000. So let's see, will the phone be able to reach that kind of expectations or not? I'm very much curious to test this kind of comparison in this Realme X7 smartphone and Q2 device. So every time I'll be trying to mention both names, Realme X7 or Q2. So depending on the type of name they want to choose in India. So till now the Antutu benchmark test was completely fine. I did not feel much lag at all while playing this Antutu benchmark test. And in case if you are planning to buy the Realme X7 Pro, so recently when I got hands on with the Realme X7 Pro as well, so let me try to bring the phone closely. So this is a Realme X7 Pro which has the Dimensity 1000 Plus, and this is a Dimensity 800U processor. So these are the two phones which are having the Dimensity processors. So I'll try to do even the Antutu benchmark comparison between both phones, how much difference is there and how much will it be there between both of the smartphones. You will get to know more details in the future. So make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly for this kind of quick updates on this Realme Q2 and X7 devices. So let's see friends how much the score will be there on this phone, and as I said, in case if you want to know more details, make sure to comment below what different games you want me to test and what type of test you want me to do on this device. So display is only kind of IPS LCD panel, which I'm not that big fan of using this IPS LCD. Because right now I have so many phones which are having this kind of super AMOLED panels, which are really good and saturated and contrast than the normal IPS LCD panels. But you do get this kind of higher refresh rate in this Realme Q2 device, so which is also another added advantage for this time. And again, I'll be back once the test has been successfully completed. As you can see here friends, the test has been successfully completed and the 3,33,000 score, so which is really good for this mobile phone. And if the phone is coming close to 15,000 kind of price range segment, then definitely friends, trust me, this phone is going to be the biggest killer, and this phone will be selling a lot just because of this processor, the Dimensity 800U processor. So the processor is very powerful. As I said, the results are very shocking. I did not expect the score to be this much kind of high, 3,33,000. I did see the advertisement close to 3,40,000 and 50,000. So but right now 3,33,000 for this kind of price range segment, maybe the Realme is offering, as I said, close to 15,000, then this phone would be the perfect choice for the most of the users. And at this kind of price range segment, there is only one mobile which actually comes close to this kind of performance, which is a Realme Honor phone, which is Honor 9X phone, which has a Kirin 810 processor. So the Kirin 810 processor is also very powerful, and that is the only phone which actually crosses the 3 lakhs benchmark range below, I think close to 15,000 price range. I'm talking about, not above 20,000. I'm talking about close surrounding of the 15,000. Then definitely, if this Realme phone gonna launch in India with this Dimensity 800U and with the price range considering close to 15,000, then definitely this is going to be the real killer. And now the next question is, will the phone processor will be able to perform the games very efficiently or not? That is for the another upcoming videos, which I'll be testing the phone in depth. I'll try to test the phone completely friends, A to Z. I'll try to test all the top high-end games. I'll try to load in this Dimensity 800U and I'll try to test insanely this phone. So make sure that subscribe to my channel and also follow me regularly. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.